Let's go. Let's go.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Right in front of me, we have a new product on the market, something that's been needed for a very long time. Honestly, I knew about this 10 months ago, and we've had them on our display at all of the shows for the last 10 months. Finally got the full release production, our full order of them. We have lots of these in stock and ready to ship. Okay, so what is this? So Fleece wanted to enter the fuel market, I guess you could say, which, I mean, Fleece has got everything. They've got some amazing products across the board, from heads to engines. I mean, like harnesses to a complete engine. Fleece offers it, okay? That being said, this is something that they develop right here. I think this is made right in Indiana, if I recall correctly. All the parts are made in Indiana. Anyways, that doesn't really matter. What's really cool about this is Fleece wanted to enter the fuel market, okay? So they have the Power Flow, which is a complete pump drop into the top of your tank, and most of those are rated for about 700 horsepower. Well, this is for the 99 to 07 guys. Our trucks are getting older, let's just be honest. Pickup tubes and assemblies are really hard to find. OEM ones, and there's one aftermarket one other than this one. OEM is damn near impossible to get because the OEMs are just stopping like production of products for our older trucks. So that's where Fleece steps in and says, there's a need in the market, let's make it. This is the Sure Flow. What this is this has got their bucket design, so you never have a quarter tank issue again. It's impossible to have the quarter tank issue. They don't exist anymore. So that's number one, which is awesome. What's also really cool is this is set up to work with the FAS or the HFCM. Comes with all these fittings in here that you can plumb it to your FAS or your air dog. Don't want to get too technical, okay? Or Driven Diesel's awesome kit as well. Anyways, if you don't want to run a sump, this kit is another wonderful option to where you don't have to drill a hole in your tank. You drop this in, and it's got their Sure Flow design. So all the return goes back into the bucket, okay? And then spreads out when you're over a certain amount of fuel. So you don't have the quarter tank. You can run down to this right here until it can't get past this, okay? Pretty impressive. In the box, it comes with the harness to adapt to the OEM harness for your pickup, for your fuel gauge, I should say. Comes with a new float, clips in right there, just like that. Right here, my bad. Anyways, it's got directions in it. Don't quote me on how that clips in there. But anyways, it comes with a new float, new harness, new O-ring for when you install it, and then you need to seal that tank and make sure you're not getting any contamination in there. And this is all billet aluminum. It's a billet aluminum. It's heavy duty. Now, I can't show that on here, but that's not plastic. That's billet aluminum, which is freaking awesome. New hoses, new harness, new fuel tank gauge, you name it, it has it. And like I said, it comes with all the fittings you could ever need to adapt to your FAS or your air dog or your Driven Diesel kit, with push lock thread fit or push lock fittings, JIC right there. So if you have a 99 to 07, these come in a short bed or a long bed version. Make sure you order the correct one for your truck, okay? No, these do not work on cabin chassis. Will they release it for a cabin chassis? I'm sure in due time. It's going to take some time, okay? But these are primary cabin chassis trucks are hit or miss. They have the tank at the very back of the truck, okay? It's not a common thing. These also are designed to work with S&B tanks, if I recall correctly, from what they told me, which is really cool. The details will be on the website, 110% on that. But if I recall, they told me these work on the S&B tanks, which is really cool. And we have them in stock and ready to ship. That's another real awesome thing. You don't have to wait to see if the OEM is going to come back out with another one. And you'll never have a quarter tank problem again. Give us a call with any question, 1-800-577-2698. Check these out on the website, blessedperformance.com. Let's get you to where you can read the proper amount of fuel and never have a quarter tank issue again, okay? That's what this is for. So it's a must-have, especially on the older trucks. Have a blessed day, guys.